The cut and pull technique is a go-to method for firefighters needing fast, efficient access through garage doors in emergency situations. Using a powerful rotary saw, firefighters make 2 vertical cuts spaced about a foot apart, and then connect them with a horizontal cut at the bottom to create a large U-shaped opening. Once the cuts are complete, they use a tool like a Halligan or crowbar to pull the section free, creating a manageable entry point. This approach is especially useful because it provides both visibility and quick access, allowing firefighters to assess conditions inside before fully committing to entry. The cut and pull method is favored for its speed and adaptability, enabling firefighters to overcome the strength and variety of garage door materials and quickly reach people or hazards on the other side.